So what I've been doing lately is just going to stores and just checking out what their floor plan look like. So just go to stores, just look around, observe. Not saying that you have to copy them or anything like that, but a lot of things you don't have to recreate. But also you don't want to be stuck in, I got to do it this way because it's what everybody else do. So a little bit, you do your homework, but allow the Holy Spirit to be like the final decision on how you run your business or how you set stuff up. Let that be the final decision. And this is the World Market. See, they got the rugs on the wall, baskets on the wall, shelving on the wall, mirrors on the wall. They got different teas. I need to go and see them. Let me check out the tea. My wife got me on to like this tea thing. So I drink like tea almost every night. Then I be like waking up at 3 o'clock having to pee because I drunk tea. And she be like, hey, if you don't drink the tea, you won't pee. I'm like, but if I don't drink the tea, I won't be able to have any tea. So I think it's more important me having the tea than me the 3 o'clock thing. Excuse me. So we got the different kind of tea. Golden milk. I might get some of that ginger lemon. I might do the ginger lemon. If she was in here, she could pick out some, but she's not in here. So I'm gonna have to pick some. And hopefully I pick one that she likes. I like the ginger tea. I might go with that. Ginger, there's crystals. I don't know about the crystals. I don't know. I want the tea bags, not the capsule. Golly. All right. You can see this from the front of the store. You know they got. I'm gonna just show her this video, and I ain't gonna get nothing. How about that? It's her birthday. What should I get her some tea for her birthday? I'm gonna do this. This is what I'm gonna do for her birthday. Try to see another kind of tea that she'll like. Her biscuits, ginger mango. We'll go with the ginger mango. Hey.